This video we are going to see what happened to a fan which has been stopped working suddenly. So here is the, you can see the liquid is been all. You can see this came from the inductor also has been gone. So here you can see the wire. First we need to disconnect this to open it from the ceiling. Now we are going to open it, removing the blades of the fan. So next we will slowly open it. I will speed up this video into 4x for faster. Okay, we will unscrew all the screws here which is to the blades. We will open the upper one. You can see this here. We need to unscrew it. So let's open it. Here is the screw, you can see. We need to open it slowly. And let's remove the screw. And remove the nuts, another screws which are into the wire. You can see there are different wires. So we need to open that screw also to remove this disconnect here. So we will unscrew that also. So here we are in disconnecting this wires, unscrewing and removing. We will remove the remaining nut screws also. Now we will be removing the screws. Now we will open it slowly by placing the screwdriver in the middle. You can see below it. Okay, first we will clean both side fully dust. Okay, now we will pull it by holding the below part slowly. Okay, you got it. You can see the bearing and also you can see the bindings also. So here there is a bearing problem also in this one, and also you can see deeply. You can observe here the wire has been burned out. You can see the copper wire has been burned out at right side upper part. You can observe. I will show it clearly. Okay, so for repairing this we need to change the winding, the copper wire. So here you can see here is burnt out. You can observe carefully. If you see, I will show you. Here you can see wire has been broken due to burned out. You can see here, observe this, here burned out completely. So due to this, so we need to repair this. So here is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching till the end.